Hi everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel. Come on in, have a cup of coffee, sit down, relax, and I'm going to talk to you about this cardie. But first of all, I'm going to invite you all to join my Facebook group. I'll put the link below, and it is for crocheters and knitters. So there's going to be yarny talk, and there's some interesting things on there already, and I would just like you to join. Thank you. All right, so let's talk about this sweater. I will stand up so you can see it. All right, so this is a cardigan with a little tie to hold it together. This is the back. And I'll take it off to show you a little closer. Okay. This is from the hashtag Crochet Cardigan Challenge that was the DIY Creations came up with, the lovely Jeanette. So I'll put her link below. The idea was to make a cardigan. And there was one that Pamela's Adoring Crochet had made from a written pattern. And I've been wanting to make it, and so I thought, well, that's the one I'm going to make. But I didn't follow the pattern exactly. You know how we end up kind of winging it sometimes? But let me just show you. I've got to turn the sleeves back the right way. All right, so I'll put that link below for the written pattern. This is the back. I showed you when it was a work in progress. That's the back. There's some triple crochets in there. And then at the bottom is this. And I really liked the stitch the lady used. So you make a back panel and two front panels, which is what I did. Hers, she had put buttons on hers. But I you know what? I need a mannequin. She put buttons on hers. I'm not even sure exactly what kind of trim she did, but I just did some single crochets around it. And where's that other string? And then I just made a tie, put some beads on the end. Yeah, so this is the stitch close up. And then the bottom. And I tried to color coordinate. And I think I did pretty good. Like, this is the front panel, this is the back. I think I did pretty good. And then for the sleeves, all I did for the sleeves was use the stitch that the lady had used at the bottom. This stitch here, I just used that for short sleeves. And I color controlled that as well. And I love it. I love how it turned out. I'm just gonna put it back on and I'll sit down and talk to you about the yarn. I love this yarn. I love it. Love it. All right, just... All right. And the yarn is, I got it from Hirschner's, and this is it, Hirschner's 2-ply fashion yarn. And it comes in a multitude of variegated. See that? There's a dark brown, it's almost black. And then there's a dark reddish brown. There's some tan colors. There's some kind of greenish colors. So Hirschner's 2-ply fashion yarn. It's 100% acrylic. There are 56 grams in here, 220 yards. It's a fine 2. But I tell you, it's a dream to work with. And it is soft. Once you have your article made, it's just so comfortable, and it's soft. I find it soft. All right, so it says machine wash, dry flat. And it's from Hirschner's, did I say that? It is, the colorway on this one is called Good Earth. Now for this cardigan, I used 4 balls, and then I got into the 5th one a little bit. I had bought it in a pack of 10. They were having some kind of sale at that time. I don't know if they are now, but that was a while back. I had shown it in a haul, actually. And so, oh, also I want to mention, on every single ball that I used, it was really easy to find the center pull. I mean, you reached in there, pulled out some, glob of yarn, and it was right there on each ball, the center pull. So that was really, really nice. Really nice. So because I color controlled, I do have some colors here. I was trying to use all the pieces, and it got a little bit annoying, because you had to hook them together or tie them together. Yeah, so I have this left. So I'm thinking about making something with this eventually. Maybe even a scarf to go with the cardigan, possibly. And also, oh yes, I did want to mention the hook size. Do they show it? Ooh. Okay, let's see. Size 4 needles. And then for the hook, it's a size E for hook. I'll write what the millimeters of the hook is across the bottom of the screen, because I don't know it offhand. And I always go by the millimeters, not the letter. But I did use a 5 millimeter. So I don't know if I used the right size hook that it suggests. But whatever hook you want to use, right? If you want your fabric to be more drapier, use a bigger hook than they suggest. If you want your stitches tighter, use a smaller hook than they suggest. If you want them just right, use the hook the size they suggest. Yeah, so I really, really love this yarn. Really, really love it. Love it. Love the colors. And they have several different colors. At the time when I bought this, they did anyway. And again, that's from Hirschner's 2-ply fashion yarn, it's called. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to show you this cardigan that I'm done, and I love it. And I'm so glad I joined the hashtag Crochet Cardigan Challenge from DOY Creations, the lovely Jeanette. Thank you so much, Jeanette. This was really fun, and I love it. You can use any pattern tutorial, and there's no time limit. So that's really cool, really cool. And I did it fairly quick, I think. I can't remember when it started. But anyway, I'll link Jeanette down below. I'll link the video where she's introducing the challenge. And I think that's about it. All right, so guys, oh, that is not it. Guys, thank you so much. 3,000 subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much. That number just humbles me. It's like, what, me? You're watching me? Oh, gee. So there's going to be a giveaway. I have lots of stuff to go in the giveaway. Yeah, so make sure you stick around. I mean, not just for the giveaway, but you know, I have tutorials. I haven't done one for a little while. I think it's been a few weeks, but there's going to be more tutorials on here. There's yarn hauls. There's a few yarn reviews. It's getting closer to spring if it would stop snowing here in Winnipeg. But actually it stopped. It's starting to melt. But I will be probably doing another fairy garden. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. All right, but this channel's mostly about crochet and yarn. All right, you guys, I will see you next time.